Okay, good morning all of you. Now going to discuss about the null point or neutral point. What is the means of null point and neutral point? Where the where the where the point resultant electric field intensity resultant electrical field intensity becomes zero is called null point is called null point is called null point. Okay, or for example, here is a positive charge q1, here is also positive charge q2. Already you know that similar charges, what will happen, that is a both charges are a repulse, here for example, one charge is a move this direction, another charge is also move this direction, again moves this direction, again moves this. One of the point start for the repulsion, that point the total net electrical field is equal to 0. I understand. This is a positive charge, this is also positive charge. The both similar charges is a repulse to each other. For example, these positive charges moves towards the q1 is a moves the towards a q2. One of the point, the both charges are a start for the repulse to each other. That point is the net electrical field is equal to 0. That point is called as the null point or a neutral point. Again, that is a in case of another definition. In case of system of charges, if the net electric field is 0 at a point, it is known as null point. Okay, where is it the total electrical field becomes 0, that point is called as the null point. Where is it available? Already explained on example you taken for the two positive charges. These positive charges are a moving, one positive charge is q2 is a moving towards the q1 is also moving towards the q2. At that one point the both charges are a repulse started. That point the net electrical field is 0. That point is called as the null point or a neutral point. Here for example, here q that is equal to q1, here is also positive charge that is equal to q2. A line joining two charges, here is the started, that is a repulsion. For example, this is a point P. Here is a electrical field is a reverse, that is equal to E1. This is also electrical field is E2. The total two charges are separated the distance, that is a R. Okay, from Q1 to P, that is a X from Q1 to P. Again from P to Q2, that is a R minus X. Already know that is a force formula. F is the electrical field intensity is equal to electrical field intensity, that is equal to E1 plus E2 is equal to E net. Okay, at a null point net electrical field becomes a 0. So that is equal to E1 plus E2 is equal to 0. So that is a E1 is equal to minus E2. Minus E2. Magnitude of, write the above equation, that is a magnitude of E1 is equal to magnitude of E2. Magnitude of E2. Already know that the equation electrical field intensity E is equal to formula, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is a Q by R square. Already know that. Here write the equation. For example, E1 is equal to E2. That is a E1 here right now. E1 means that is a 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. That is a Q1 by, how much is the distance? That is a x square is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. That is a r minus x whole square. Okay, here is the Q2. This one cancel. Remaining terms Q1 x square upon the Q1 is equal to r minus x whole square upon Q2. Okay, here rewrite the above equation. Saying that is a r minus x whole square by x square is equal to Q2 by Q1. Q2 by Q1. Again rewrite this equation, that is a r minus x by x minus x whole square is equal to Q2 by Q1. Q2 by Q1. Same, r minus x whole square minus 1 is equal to Q2 by Q1. Q2 by Q1. Now this minus 1 is a goes to that side, that is a r minus x whole square is equal to Q2 by Q1 plus 1. Okay. Now this square moving that side, that is a r minus x is equal to Q2 by Q1 plus 1, that is equal to root. Final equation, this is a final equation. Final equation, that is a x is equal to r by root over Q2 by Q1 plus 1. This is the null point. Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you.